Today we're looking at AOL Mail and whether it's still worth using for everyday email. This is a simple review of what it does well, where it falls short, and who it is best for. AOL Mail is free to use, easy to set up, and works in any browser. If you already have an old AOL account, you can still use it today without paying. You can also connect AOL Mail to other email apps using standard settings like IMAP and SMTP, so you are not locked into one inbox view. The good part is simplicity. The layout is familiar, the inbox is clear, and basic tools are there, like spam filtering, folders, search, and contact management. For people who just want to send and receive email, it does the job. It also supports account recovery tools, which can help if you forget your password. Now, the weak side. Compared with newer email platforms, AOL Mail can feel dated. The interface is not as modern as Gmail or Outlook, and power features are limited. Team collaboration tools are not really the focus here. If you want advanced automation, deep calendar tools, or business workflows, AOL Mail is not the strongest option. Privacy and security are important too. Like most major email services, you should turn on stronger sign-in protection and use a unique password. If your account is old, check your recovery phone and backup email now, before any login issue happens. So, is AOL Mail worth it? For basic personal email, yes, it can still work fine. For advanced users, business users, or people who want a modern, all-in-one workspace, there are better options. If your goal is simple, stable, free email, AOL Mail is still usable. If your goal is speed, smart features, and deeper productivity tools, you may want to switch. Before deciding, test it for 1 week with your real routine. Send emails, organize folders, search old messages, and check spam accuracy. If it feels smooth, keep it. If it feels slow or limited, move to a newer service without overthinking the change for now.